Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to use Indeed on your PC. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Indeed.com website right here if you haven't already. So go ahead guys and search for Indeed on Google and open up Indeed. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here, which is the main page of Indeed. As you can see your home, you can see company reviews, here you can search for a job and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and see how to get started using Indeed. So the first thing we need to do to be able to use Indeed is to create an account. So we can create an account by going right here into the upper right corner, and if you haven't logged in already, you'll see a sign in button. So you want to go ahead and click on that sign in button right there that's going to appear. Click on sign in, and then you can go ahead and create a new account. If you don't have one already, you can enter in your info, or you can go ahead and log into an existing account. So after logging into your account guys, now you'll be back right here at the beginning, which is the home page, and as you can see, now we can get started with searching for a job. So as you can see, here is where we search for a job. Here you can enter in your job title, you can choose whatever you want. Maybe you want to work on Amazon or something that is remote or hiring immediately, doesn't matter. I'm going to select hiring immediately in New York. So after selecting your preferences guys, go ahead and click on search, and after clicking on search, this is now going to go ahead and open up this new page where you can see all the ads for jobs that are hiring immediately in New York. As you can see here, you can list those ads, you can click on them to see the info, and you can go ahead and apply on the company site by clicking this button right here, apply on company site, for any job that you want. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to get started with using Indeed on PC. So a lot of luck in searching for a job, and I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.